My name is Sarah, and today I'm here to tell you about how tornadoes form. Tornadoes usually occur during the daytime, from mid-afternoon to early evening. Tornadoes usually move from southwest to northeast. Their spinning winds cover about 300 to 400 yards. Some tornadoes come out of nowhere, which leaves little time for people to take shelter. Tornadoes are one of the most destructible natural forces on this earth. They are capable of destroying cars, houses, trees, buildings, and anything in their destructive paths. Their often catastrophic paths can be up to 1 mile wide and 50 miles long. 1,000 tornadoes are reported nationwide in an average year. Tornadoes have touched down in all continents except for Antarctica. Certain places on the planet are more likely to see tornadoes than others. Most tornadoes occur in what is known as Tornado Alley. This is from Texas, North Kansas, and the surrounding states of the Great Plains region. Tornadoes are categorized between F0 and F5 on the F scale. F0 is light, which means it's strong winds, but with little damage to roofs that are old. And F5 makes up less than 1% of the tornadoes. F5 is the worst on the category scale. These are the ones that you see on TV where they destroy everything and nothing is left. There are many steps to a tornado forming. Knowing these steps may be able to help you in the future. Step 1. Tornadoes begin when sun heats up the surface of the land. That is why most tornadoes occur during the summertime. When the warm air begins to rise, it collides with the cooler air, which makes a thunderstorm. Step 2. As the faster air begins to spin, it rolls on the slower moving wind. It gathers pace and grows in size as it rolls on. Step 3. At this step, that is, the wind is spinning. It is invisible and horizontal. It then starts rolling like a cylinder. Step 4. As warm air rises, the spinning air encounters an updraft. The wind spins faster, vertically upwards, and gains more speed. Step 5. Once it hits this stage, the spinning wind creates a vortex, and the wind now has enough energy to fuel itself. A vortex is a whirling mass of air, especially in the form of a visible column or a spiral. And step 6. Now that the tornado is fully formed and moving into the direction of the thunderstorm winds, once its pointed part of the tornado touches ground from the cloud, which is known as a touchdown, and as it moves on, it rips up everything in its path. In an instance where tornadoes are the norm, there are warning systems such as a siren to notify the people in the town to take shelter immediately. As well, the Weather Service will issue the tornado watch, which means a tornado is possible and just to be aware. Or a tornado warning, which means a tornado has been spotted and that you need to take shelter immediately. Under this warning, the safest place you can go is in an interior room away from windows and doors. And if you don't have one of those rooms, then a bathroom will do. Just make sure to get in your tub and cover yourself up with blankets, pillows, and even a mattress. Now that you know how a tornado is formed and what to do if one occurs, you will be able to stay safe if you ever find yourself in that situation. Thank you.